Here's how to clean up and separate shapes in an artwork to color them individually. So here I've made a drawing, and I did this by simply creating a square and then simply made these strokes with the brush tool like this. You could use any tool you want to create these strokes, the brush tool, the pen tool, or simply any kind of tool. And your artwork could be any kind of drawing that you made. We now want to color each section of this artwork separately. And let's pick the selection tool, and watch if I click here, we cannot select this section. Also, if we click on this stroke right here, we are simply selecting the stroke and not the entire section. So how do we fix this? First we want to select the entire artwork, like so. Then we want to pick the shape builder tool. And to turn each section into an individual shape, we want to take our shape builder tool and hover over our shape, and the shape will turn gray like this. And then we simply click one time. We will do this on each shape. And this turned all the shapes into individual shapes. And just to show you this, I will pick the selection tool. And as you can see right here, I can select one of these shapes and simply drag it away if I want to. But we still need to clean up our shapes to remove all these excess lines. But because we turned each section into a different shape, all the lines that were not included in a shape should be loose like this. Which means that we can simply select it and press the delete button. And if for some reason the delete key doesn't work, you can always select the entire artwork, pick the shape builder tool again, hold down the Alt key to get this minus sign next to the cursor, and simply click on the line that you don't want with the cursor. This will also remove the line. Now we can pick the selection tool, pick the fill, and start off by giving all the shapes a random color just to make them easier to select. So I will simply choose a random color like this. This now makes it easy to select all the shapes by simply clicking at the fill. Because before you fill in the shapes, you can also select them. But without fill, you need to select them by clicking on the stroke exactly. Which means that you need to know which stroke is included in each shape. So just give it a random fill at first and then change the color of the fill later like this. Now watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.